The 7 alchemical planets became the 7 days of the week that the masses follow. The commercial timing system was created during the age of IKENGA, which was the age of Mars. IKENGA is the Igbo Natar of time. The perfection of time came from the Martians, those that came to Earth with IKENGA. IKENGA is held as Odumija because time is always ahead. Time is an illusion, but it is the best friend of truth. The Westerners borrowed the 7 alchemical science from ancient Africa, the African Great Age. They manifested their own gods and goddesses and dedicated each of the days of the week to them. The commercial 7 weekdays were names of 7 Sumerian gods and goddesses recreated in Norse mythology. The Norsemen were a group of Germanic people who inhabited a place known as the Scandinavia and spoke what is now called the Old Norse language. Germanic people, like the Greco-Romans, were all taught alchemy by ancient Ndushi, Ndieshi, Ndishi, the Africans that were masters of physics, the elegant nomads. For decades, the African masses has been calling on Greco-Roman gods. These 7 alchemical commercial realms originally exist in Igbo Pantheon as Ora, Oma, Ikenga, Agwu, Ngwu, Uto, and Ele. This is AGWU, and we are embracing our methodology as an Igbo or African using the commercial timing system that the Europeans borrowed from the age of IKENGA. Just recognize the days of the week as followed: Ụbọchị Ora, Ụbọchị Ọma, Ụbọchị Ikenga, Ụbọchị Agwụ, Ụbọchị Ngwu, Ụbọchị Uto, Ụbọchị Ele. You will eventually realize the origin of all the religions in the world if you follow the Igbo roots of the commercial days. The Christians worship Ora, whom is also Ra in Khemet and Marduk in Sumer. The Islamists worship Uto, whom is a reincarnation of Allah, the Igbo goddess that gave birth to Uwa through Odachi. Uto is the light of Allah. The word Allah derives from Alat, whom is a female deity, and Alat derives from Allah, the Igbo goddess. Alat is also known as Anat of Canaan, Sumer, and the Igbo goddess is also known as Anna. Anat was also venerated in Khemet, and Uto is also known as Utana, the Igbo African Venus. The Jews worship Ele as Elohim. They also plagiarize Ele as Yahweh, but Ele and Yahweh are not the same gods. Yahweh is Ra, the today's sun. Ele is the Igbo Natar that rules planet Saturn, the elder god. 4-7 was Mars, 7-4 was Moon. That is like the solar and lunar time system. 4-7 is solar and 7-4 is lunar. The IKENGA time system is 4 weeks, 1 month. Like 4 weeks makes 1 month and 7 days. The Oma time system is 7 weeks, 1 month and 4 days. The alchemical planet names derived from the Roman, Greek, Norse mythologies, and the architects of these methodologies were students of African mystery schools. According to what we taught the Eurasians, from which they created the 7 days of the week from, there are only 7 alchemical planets. or 7 original planets, that is the planets that are in the physical eye. 7 planets of the days, starting with Sunday. 1. Sunday equals Ora, which is sun. 2. Monday equals Oma, which is moon. 3. Tuesday equals IKENGA, which is Mars. 4. Wednesday equals AGWU, equals Mercury. 5. Thursday equals NGWU or Amadioha, equals Jupiter. 6. Friday equals Utana, equals Venus. 7. Saturday equals Ele, equals Saturn. It is very important for modern Igbo people to learn the principles of the Igbo deities. 1. Because they are beautiful and not what you've been classically conditioned to think they are. 2. Because the principles of the deities can really reshape your life and help you discover many things you didn't know about yourself. Each of those 7 realms exists somewhere in your Ebachi, because we have to think inwardly now. An enlightened spirit, Onyo Fufuchi, Onyo Chifo, Onyo Huruchi, doesn't look for God outside, but within. When you master the principles of the spirit that dwells within you, then you can be able to create. For the true secret of happiness is Okike, which is our true identity.